AMR, which stands for Antimicrobial Resistance, is one of the biggest healthcare threats facing the world today. It's a natural biological process that occurs when microbes evolve to resist antibiotics, and it's currently responsible for over 33,000 deaths in Europe per year, with related costs exceeding €1.5 billion.
AmCham EU member companies are striving to tackle together the threat of antimicrobial resistance. And this is why this World Antibiotic Awareness Week is so important. We cannot do it alone.
AMR has been raised at the highest political level, but there is a lot more work that needs to be done. There are a number of simple and effective measures that we can take to combat and fight the spread of AMR.
First of all, citizens must be aware of this issue and must be aware that antibiotics have to be used only when needed.
Stopping infections in the first place remains one of the easiest ways to combat AMR. This can be as simple as washing your hands, staying up to date with your vaccinations, and using antiseptics. We also need to better understand how resistance develops.
The EU and its member states have to be ambitious going forward when it comes to AMR. On the one hand, we need to keep our antibiotics working by stimulating appropriate use and in preventing infections, for example through vaccination. On the other hand, it is crucial that we work together on new economic models to stimulate research and development in new treatments and vaccines to fight AMR.
Combating AMR is a shared societal challenge, and the EU can and should serve as a leader in the fight against AMR. This is why AmCham EU is working hard to establish the EU as a best practice region, and why we look forward to the many discussions around World Antibiotic Awareness Week.